Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Analytics AI beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Google Analytics AI, start by logging into your Google Analytics account. Once logged in, ensure you're on the admin panel. In the admin panel, locate the property you want to enable AI for. Click on the Property Settings option. Scroll down to find the AI Features section. Look for the toggle switch labeled Activate AI Features. Switch the toggle to the on position. You may need to accept any terms or conditions that appear. Next, navigate to the Data Streams section under the selected property. Select the data stream you wish to utilize with AI. In the Data Stream settings, locate the option for AI Insights. Enable the AI Insights feature by clicking the toggle switch. After enabling AI Insights, explore the options for AI-driven reporting. You can customize the types of insights you want to receive. Make sure to save any changes made in this section. Once your settings are updated, return to the main dashboard. Monitor the insights generated by the AI over time. Use these insights to enhance your data-driven decision-making processes. Review the AI features and recommendations regularly for optimal use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.